If you've been charged with drunk driving at the 14A-4 District Court, the judge in your case will be Judge Simpson. Judge Simpson will handle all misdemeanor drunk driving cases. This means a first offense, a second offense, or a super drunk offense. Any third offenses or other felony drunk driving cases will be handled at the Washtenaw County Circuit Court. Now at the 14A-4 court, there are a number of prosecutors. The main prosecutor is the Washtenaw County Prosecutor's Office. There's also a prosecutor for the city of Saline and Milan. Depending upon the police department involved in your case and the facts of your case, that will determine who the prosecutor is in your case. Now what I've done is I've put together the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. It's a comprehensive guide to Washtenaw County. It's available on Amazon.com. In this book, I discuss drunk driving cases at the 14A-4 court and how my clients handle those cases. My clients are unique in that we're proactive from day one. The problem with drunk driving cases, as a former prosecutor, is we look at them as the client always being guilty. The prosecutor will, over the legal limit, driving a car, a pretty straightforward case. Judges see a lot of drunk driving cases and most people plea. So a judge, what they do is they think, well, this person's probably guilty, they're probably going to plead guilty. Well, in drunk driving cases, there are a number of defenses, and it's important from day one to explore those defenses. In Saline, for drunk driving cases at the 14A-4 court, there are two distinct paths. The path of litigation, where we look for possible defenses at trial, and for possible motions to suppress evidence. If we can have evidence suppressed in your case, we may be able to have your case dismissed. Now the other path is the path of negotiation. When charged with a drunk driving crime in Michigan, your driver's license is at stake, so is your freedom. Clients come to me all the time and they say, Jonathan, my main goal is to keep my driver's license. My second goal is to avoid jail. My third goal is to have 2 years of probation, daily alcohol testing. I'd like to avoid that. What my clients do is we set goals and we put a comprehensive plan into place in order to reach those goals. Ultimately, at the end of the case, my clients choose from different options. We have the option of a trial. We have the option of pursuing different motions. And we have the option of resolving your case in a favorable way that meets your goals. So if you're charged with drunk driving at the 14A-4 court, I encourage you to contact me and tell me about your case. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your family, your job, and your responsibilities. What's on the line being charged with a drunk driving case? I'm very selective in the clients that I take on. I'm looking for clients who are truly motivated to change the perception of their case from day one. I tell clients that we're going to sprint. We're going to sprint now in order to avoid the marathon. That marathon being a criminal record, loss of driver's license, and going to jail. If we can avoid that marathon, it's worth it in the present moment to sprint. So, if you're charged with drunk driving at the 14A-4 court, I look forward to helping you. I look forward to talking about your options and ultimately reaching your goals.